Good afternoon to one and all present here, respected dignitaries, esteemed faculty members, guests, dear participants, and my fellow students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of IP Manthan 2026. As we gather this afternoon, we do not mark an ending, but rather a moment of reflection, of learnings gained, and conversations that sparked over the last 2 enriching days. It is now my honor to introduce our valedictory guest, a legal professional whose career stands at the intersection of law, technology, governance, and social responsibility. We welcome you, sir. At the outset, I would like to formally welcome our distinguished guests and dignitaries who have graciously joined us for this valedictory session. We are honored to have with us today Dr. Manoj Kumar V. Hiramat Sir, IQAC Coordinator, Faculty of Law, KLE Law College, Bengaluru, whose academic leadership and commitment to institutional excellence continue to strengthen the culture of quality and innovation in legal education. We are also privileged to welcome our esteemed guest for the valedictory ceremony, whose presence adds immense value and insight to today's proceedings. I request to give us a concise overview of the journey of IP Manthan 2026, the themes explored, the rounds conducted, and the collective effort behind this successful event, I now invite Ms. Virati Jain, 3rd LLB, to present the report of the event.
Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Mahendran sir, respected Professor Manoj Kumar Hiramat, IQAC Coordinator, dear faculty members, participants, and my dear committee members. Good afternoon to everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today and present the report of IP Manthan 2026. IP Manthan was a 2-day intellectual property competition organized by Navotbhava, the intellectual property rights cell of our college, with the aim of creating awareness and encouraging creativity. This year, IP Manthan has truly lived up to its theme, Still the Ocean of Minds. Participation of 17 teams, consisting of 2 members per team. Before beginning the report of the actual event, it is important to acknowledge the dedication and enthusiasm of the organizing team and volunteers. From beautiful posters to photo booths and well-curated IP display tables showcasing various GIs, truly bringing the entire event to life. While most IP events usually focus on activities such as moot courts and similar formats, the unique structure of IP Manthan offered participants exposure to multiple dimensions of intellectual property. This distinctive approach received highly encouraging feedback from our esteemed guests as well, who described the event to be one of its kind and shared that they have not witnessed anything that is similar to this format elsewhere in the whole country. The competition began with an inauguration ceremony where we were honored to have Srimati Prabhavati Rao, IP Facilitator of VTPC. In her address, she reminded us that intellectual property is not merely about laws and regulations, but also about respecting effort, originality, and innovation. Her words set a thoughtful, motivating tone for the entire program. Soon after the inauguration, the first round, Talk the Heritage, began. In this round, participants had to narrate, perform, and explain a specific geographical indication chosen by them. The presentation focused on origin, uniqueness, and cultural significance of the selected GI product. This round was judged by Srimati Prabhavati Rao and Srimati Nandini Dholepat, GI Specialist at KSCST. Participants presented a wide range of GI products, reflecting Indian culture, diversity, and traditional richness. These performances included dramas, dialogues, role plays, and other creative formats. This round gave a beautiful and energetic start to the competition. After the completion of first round, the participants moved to the second round, that is Design Duel. The theme, the echoes of innovation, duration was allotted to the themes on spot, encouraging instant thinking and creativity. Participants were given 30 minutes to design their products through sketches or digital softwares. This round was judged by Dr. Ramamurthy, IP specialist and advisor at Origin IP Solutions, and Dr. Brinda Verma, patent attorney at Akeem Legal. After the completion of round 2, round 3, parody parade was conducted. The theme of this round was tunes, twists, and copyright tales. Participants were challenged to rewrite the lyrics of popular Desi pop songs into parodies based on IP concepts. Many teams came up with entertaining and meaningful parodies. The judges of this round were Dr. Bhimesh, Senior Advisor at ALMT Legal, and Dr. Bindu Sharma, Founder and CEO of Urgent IP Solutions. The final round of table was the Innovator's Grid, with the theme Crack the Clues, Unlock the IP World. Participants were given a limited time to solve a crossword containing questions relating to intellectual property. The enthusiasm and determination were clearly visible. With this, day 1 of the competition came to a successful end. It was a perfect blend of knowledge, innovation, creativity, expression, and good thinking. Day 2 of the competition began with the semi-final round. The semi-finals were conducted in the form of group discussion on the topic patents, boon or bane. This round focused on developing new perspectives on patents and their impact on society. A total of 8 qualified teams participated in this round, and the round was moderated by Ms. Srinidhi Prasad. Participants were given wonderful opportunity to express their opinions and engage in brainstorming sessions with their peers. This round was judged by Srimati Girija Sriram and Shri Nagarjuna, patent attorney at IP Tel Bangalore. Following the semi-finals, the competition moved to its final stage, the grand finale titled Quiztopia. The 4 teams were qualified for this round. Quiztopia was conducted in a form of infinity bounce method, and the quiz masters were Mr. Anush Deshpande, assistant professor, and Ms. Manju. With the successful completion of grand finale, IP Manthan 2026 reached its conclusion. Over these 2 days, the event taught us, the organizing members, as well as you, the participants, competition, collaboration, and creativity, leaving behind meaningful memories and lasting lessons. With the guidance and support of the faculty coordinators of the IPR cell, we were able to organize this event successfully. With this, I conclude my report on IP Manthan 2026. Thank you.
Thank you for that comprehensive and engaging report. It is now my honor to introduce our valedictory guest. Advocate Mahendran S. is a practicing advocate based in Bengaluru, specializing in intellectual property rights, information technology law, data protection, and legal and regulatory compliance. He holds academic qualifications of BCom, LLB, and LLM. He is professionally certified as a CISA, ISACA, and ISO IEC lead auditor, reflecting strong expertise in information security, risk management, and compliance frameworks. With over 11 years of prior corporate experience in leading multinational organizations such as Cognizant, formerly First Indian Corporation, Hewlett-Packard, IBM, and Emmet Technologies, he has handled key roles in information security, auditing, governance, risk and compliance, PMO, and legal compliance, giving him deep insight into technological-driven legal environments. After transitioning into legal practice, he trained under a senior advocate in criminal family law and later founded MAHE Co, advocates and legal consultants, where he has quickly built a strong reputation for ethical, practical, and client-centric legal services. A notable strength of Advocate Mahendran S. is his focus on pre-litigation counseling and dispute resolution, through which he has successfully resolved nearly 85 cases at the initial matrimonial and property matters, helping clients avoid prolonged litigation, unnecessary costs. In addition to his legal practice, he is actively engaged in social welfare initiatives supporting underprivileged students through educational assistance, reflecting his strong commitment to social responsibility. I request Dr. Manoj Kumar V. Hiremat, Faculty of Law, KLE Law College, Bengaluru, to present a sapling as a token of appreciation to the guest. I request our esteemed guest, Advocate Mahendran S, to kindly address the gathering and share his insights, experiences, and reflections with us. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm very happy and proud to be attending in my college. It's my college, okay. I studied LLM here, so I'm so happy. So thanks for inviting me, and Madam Rashmi Madam and Manish sir. So the word about the IP Manthan, just I inspired about the name Manthan, right? So Manthan is nothing but it's directly to IPR. Right? Deep thinking, innovation, and the legal foresight. That's what the Manthan is saying. So thanks for choosing the Manthan name. I want to appreciate the people. So about IPR. IPR is nothing but we all nowadays in the current market, everyone is living with the knowledge economy. Okay? So knowledge means what? Previously what the value rate. So value means if you have any buildings, any land, any machines, these are mostly focused on the value. Okay, nowadays the value means the innovation, the value means the creativity. Okay, salary, the data. Without these things, the whole market won't happen. So that's what I highlight here. Everyone depending upon that innovation, IPR. So it's directly going to integrating that IPR is a growing subject. There is a scope in the market now. In India, right, lot of startup company and as well as small medium business, technology innovator, and the content creators, right, like social media, all of them, depending on the IPR sector. So IPR having more scope in the upcoming market. But of course, we have a little bit the challenges in the global market. We have adapted like AI and other cloud computing at a scale, right? The AI it's a big challenge for the upcoming people. Okay? But suppose if any invention, any the new products launched, so by AI algorithm. So that time it's very difficult to the ownership, who will take, whether it is a machine or the programmer or the person who will know. So that's still we are working with the global market, and India also focusing on that, how to fix this challenge. That one thing we need to monitor. We need to focus at how the AI is working, how the technology is adapted in it, and moreover the young people like you. Nowadays, we need to know, everybody was what they thinking that the IPR is something, subject oriented. That is not, that is wrong. And the IPR means what it is a combined with the technology and as well as, theoretical subject. We should do the latest technology. If you study and if you go there, if you work something somewhere in farm or some other company, it won't give you any value. We should learn about the technology as well as the latest advancement the global market standard. And another thing is that I want to highlight many things that the trademark, right? Trademark in India has become very important. And like consumer test, market sync. There's a lot of non-traditional trademarks like sound, shape, and color, and more legal case related to the brand distribution, passing on, and strong action against counterfeit products. in globally what India, right? India is already started in the IPR working towards improve their IPR things. Okay, for example, like India already followed the TRIPS agreement and WIPO frameworks, international copyrights and patent convention. Okay, now the cross-border IP, right? Today Indian companies are file patent rights to other countries. So we reach that level. But in India, if you domestic level, if we see that it's a lack of improvement. That still the Indian government is working on the IPR, and they still we have a lot of opportunity. So everyone need to focus on that. That's one thing I want to say that. And yeah, this opportunity for your student, upcoming students. IP IP offers many career opportunities such as education, corporate advisory, policy making, compliance role, teaching research, international legal practice. These are the important roles available in the market. So you may, after completing your degree, you may confuse that where you need to travel. That is one thing concern is going. Even I was, after completing my LLM, I don't know what I did. But when I was working in the IT company, I was involved in the IP, but I know the subject line. So after the completing this LLM, then I involved this. Okay, I combined with this. What are the things I done? I got what are the achievement I did in my corporate company. That is all related to the IPM. So there's a lot of opportunity having in market, especially in corporate sector and legal things. So you can focus very well. It depends upon your things, your interest. And one more thing, just the last day I want to give advice. One thing, one request. It's not advice, one request. So don't study the IPR subject as a theoretical subject. Okay, it's a practical subject. Okay, it's not like English subject or so IPR is a practical subject. We should think that. So practical means what? After studying, we need to apply. So we need to adapt the knowledge. We need to adapt that the content. Okay, how we need to acquire that content from other centers. These things is important to the people. Anyway, thanks again one more time. I concur with the organizer and the faculty members and students for making this event meaningful. Thank you for inviting me. I wish you good luck, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that insightful address. Your words have not only enlightened us on the evolving dimensions of law and technology, but have also inspired us to approach the legal profession with responsibility, empathy, and ethical clarity. I respectfully invite Dr. Manoj Kumar V. Hiremat, IQAC Coordinator, Faculty of KLE Law College, Bengaluru, to address the gathering and share his perspectives.
Good afternoon, everybody. My dear friend, as well as my dear student, Mr. Mahendran, the founder of the MAHE CO, and my dear colleagues and my students and participants from other institutions. Yes, IP Manthan, today's competition really conducted in a meaningful manner, and I hope all the participants have some learning experience, something to take away from this 2 days event, and even the audience. Especially quiz was very interesting. Even I attended. I could not observe all the proceedings, but the first round, that GI round, and the last one, both I watched. It was a quite learning experience. By attending 2 sessions, I feel enriched. Maybe those who have attended all the sessions must be more richer than me in terms of taking away knowledge, right? So for that reason, I have to congratulate the IP cell, Navodma, for organizing this event. Ms. Rashmi and all the faculty coordinators and student coordinators, Manju, Srinidhi, Vinuta, and all other coordinators. Congratulations for organizing such a meaningful event. So this is the first inter-college IP fest, we can call it as, first they started with the intra-college, now they have started with inter-college. The legacy has to continue. Those who are going to take it forward next year should double the number of participants. This year it is 20 teams, next year it will be 40 teams. So it reaches more and more institutions and more people get benefited by this learning exercise. So as Mr. Mahendran was saying, intellectual property law is not a theoretical subject, it's a practical subject. So world out there, every day you see lot of development in trade and business, and this IP being a part and parcel of this trade and commerce has a almost same importance as that of the capital for any business entity. So take this subject seriously and make your career out of it. There is a lot of scope in IP practice in the days to come as well. So with that, I congratulate all the participants and the winners who is going to be winner. In advance, I congratulate all of them and thank you for making it.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging and visionary words. I request Ms. Soumya Raj, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law, KLE Law College, to present a sapling as a token of respect. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at a moment that celebrates merit, effort, and intellectual excellence. The award ceremony for IP Manthan 2026 will now take place. I invite Ms. Srinidhi Prasad and Ms. Manju, Committee Heads IP Cell, to conduct the award ceremony.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. We are so glad we could make it to the end of the competition, and the two-day competition has been extremely meaningful. I take this opportunity to thank Mahendran sir, because of whom this competition was possible, because he's our official sponsor. Thank you, sir. A huge round of applause. It is really encouraging when people step up to sponsor competitions like these. Now moving on to the climax of this entire two-day trailer. Starting with the first round winner. These are going to be the special mention awards that I am going to discuss. I request Rashmi ma'am to kindly hand over the first award, which is Guardians of Origin. This is for the first GI round. The winners for GI round are, any guesses? The winner is Team Amethyst. I request Sharmila ma'am to hand over the next award. This is the award for the design round. It is called Design Dynamos Award. And the winner for this round is Team Sapphire. For the third award, I request Sabla ma'am to kindly hand over the award. The third round is the Parody Parade, also known as the Award of Masters of Musical Mischief. And the winners of this award, again, any guesses? The winners are Team Emerald. In continuance of the suspense already created, I am now going to announce the runner-up of IP Manthan 2026. I request Manoj Kumar Hiremat sir to kindly present the runner-up award. The runner-ups are Team Sapphire, and they shall receive a cash prize of ₹5,000, sponsored by Mahendran sir. Now the winners of IP Manthan 2026, to the most awaited winners. The winner, I request Mahendran sir to kindly hand over the trophy and cash prize of ₹10,000 to the winners. The winners are Team Platinum. I request Rashmi ma'am to kindly join, and Anush sir. The winners are from PES College Law School.
Then from the law school, it's PS University.
I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the participants who have shown amazing competition in the 2-day event. A huge round of applause for all the participants. Thank you. Vishaka shall take over from here.
Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Your enthusiasm, preparation and performance have truly embodied the spirit of IP Manthan. As we approach the conclusion of this valedictory ceremony, it is time to formally express our gratitude. I invite Mr. Anush Deshpande, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law, KLE Law College, Bengaluru, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor to welcome all the faculty members, participants, and the guests on the dais. The central aim of the event was to demystify intellectual property rights. We wanted to show that IP is not just a dense technical subject, but a vital statutory law. By integrating IP into pop culture through our parody parade and design diagram, we have proven that IP is everywhere, from the songs we sing to the packaging of the products we use. This event would not have been possible without the visionary leadership of our principal sir, who I thank in his absence. Then our Manoj Kumar sir, our PhD coordinator, Anita ma'am, our vice principal, all our HODs, and special thanks to Madhusudan sir and Lakshman sir. Now, coming to my committee, I thank Ms. Rashmi for giving us this opportunity to keep this, to coordinate and turn this event into just an idea into an expression of idea. Okay. Then I thank my colleagues, Ms. Siddhi, Ms. Soumya, Ms. Rajalakshmi, and all my student coordinators, Srinidhi, Manju, Ikra, all of you. So it was Virati, all of this. Sorry if I mispronounced names. Now, so this finally, it was finally thanks to the participants, because we moved from the traditional and beyond the cultural custodians of the classroom to stealing the oceans of the mind. And during the group discussions or cracking clues in the inventor's grade, we have shown that IP is a living part of our society. Let this be the start of our journey in safeguarding the guardianship of creativity. Thank you.
It's my humble request to Dr. Dinakar, Principal, KLE Law College, Navi Mumbai, to render a memento to the guest, Mr. Mahendran, as a token of appreciation and love. I request the participants to stay back.